In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to turn off WhatsApp notifications so you can finally enjoy some peace and quiet. We'll cover two different ways of doing this, and the first step is to open the WhatsApp application on our device. Then tap on this settings icon at the bottom right. When you get to this page, find the notifications section and open it. And then you can customize what notifications you want to turn on or off. We can turn off the message notifications for individual messages at the top here, but we can leave the group notifications enabled, customized to your liking and preferences, because this is the first step. Another method of disabling WhatsApp notifications is to open our Settings app, scroll a bit down, and find the Notifications section. This is going to show us a list of all the different apps which we have installed on our phone, so we'll locate and open WhatsApp on this list. If you want to disable the notifications completely, then turn this switch off, and you won't get any WhatsApp notifications from now on. But if you want specific notification types, just leave this switch on and then customize the alert styles on this page. You can disable the notification sounds and all that other stuff. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe for more similar ones.